Good morning, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be doing a little more work on the motorcycle here. Let me tell you all what's going on. You know what, as a matter of fact, hold on. Give me 2 seconds. I need a visual aid for this to explain this properly. Here we go. This is my bicycle, of which most of y'all should be familiar. You've seen me take it all over the place. If you notice, I have my storage pouch with my little tool bag. I have water storage. I have this thing in the back here for even more storage, usually for more water. And I have my phone-based GPS navigation system. All in all, it's a pretty nice setup. But if you notice on the motorcycle, I have nothing like that. I have none of those conveniences. Now, I can't be having all kind of niceness on my bicycle and not have it on my motorcycle. That's just wrong. So, we're going to start to do a little bit of customizing today, starting with general storage. We're going to be doing some saddlebags to go right on the side here. I have some old laptop bags to try, and my intention is to somehow mount it mount one on either side and have myself, some storage where I could keep my tools and whatever else I might need to. I would also like to get the phone holder, a phone holder made for the motorcycle, but that might be another day. Today we're just going to focus on the saddlebags and see how it goes. So welcome to the show. Let me get going. Now basically my intention is, there's this little piece of metal here. I don't know if it's a handle or part of the cargo rack system. I'm thinking that's gonna be part of my mount. So I'll put something here to mount onto this, and from the top of the bag I just want to go across. It's just a matter of finding the most appropriate one. This one seems pretty basic, although it might be a little more waterproof than the first one I was checking. Now this one already have straps on it. That's not bad. Let's see. Yeah, that's actually not bad at all, the fitment. But this pattern though, that might be a little too... Yeah. Alright. Let me see. So, in fact, I may be able to use this top flap here. Yeah, that's not bad. Oh, look, a ring. Now this could attach here somehow. And this will go over the seat, attach on the other side. And then on the back here now, I'll just make some way to attach it to this metal, and this could work. The bag kind of thin though. I don't know how much I'll actually be able to carry in this. This bag is probably maybe 2 inches. It's just for a laptop, so. Alright. Let's see how this is gonna go. Told you all to stay off my motorcycle. Okay, slight change of plans. I use a different bag. This one is a little thicker, it's about 4 inches thick. I think this might be one of those I don't know, messenger bags or something, so they might call it. But I made my modifications, so let me give you a look. It's nothing too serious. And all you see me sew already, so I didn't bother to film anything. Check it out. To the back of the bag, I added this strap here with, there's just a straight strap going across. Okay, and it's stitched a couple places. So it have these two loops here, which I'm hoping line up with these two stumps, studs, whatever you want to call it, mountain points. We'll call it mountain points. All right. And on the handle of the bag, hold on. Yeah, this here is the original handles. I just added two straps with a couple D-rings that are not so D-ring shaped. Alright, so let me try it out now. See if it fits. Alright, now as well as, does it line up? Yeah, as well as making the two little loops here for it to go over the two mountain locations, mountain spots, whatever you want to call it. I also put this little velcro strap in the middle here to go around and attach just as a backup. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. That line up kind of decent. That ain't line up too bad at all. Alright, straps time. Alright. This goes around there and then through these. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Next one. Alright, that's not bad. Two straps going over there. Yeah, could probably use this strap here to pull it in if it's not fully loaded. Or I could just leave it dangling. That's fine. That's not too bad at all. Let me see what we could fit in it now though. Hold on, I'm gonna go get some stuff. Let me see what we could load it up with. Alright, I figured I would start with my three most major items for when I go in camping. My hammock, my tarpaulin with the rope and stakes and whatnot, and my cooking kit. Let's see how this gonna go now. Alright. You know, that's not bad at all. It's barely half full. Yeah, check it out. I have my tarpaulin, my hammock with my mosquito net, and the line and everything for it. The tarpaulin also has the lines and the stakes and whatnot in the bag. My cooking kit, which consists of alcohol stove, wood stove, two pots, coffee and spoon and forks and whatever. I still have this pocket out here empty. I still have this I could shove things in. That's not bad. That is not a bad start. You know what, let me see what else I could fit in it. Let me close it up and get on and off the bike and see if it gets in my way at all. I don't think it will. Alright, there we go. Bag of clothes. Oh, this could go on top. I still have a lot of space under here I could fill. Alright, so we just, that should be fine. Close it up. Yeah, that's not bad at all. In fact, so much so that I don't think I'm even gonna put another one on the other side. I'm just gonna use that one for now. Because I still have my cargo rack here, I could put stuff on if I need to. But that, I should secure these straps, make sure they're out of the way. Don't need things flapping in the breeze. That's the reason we wear underwear. Alright, so we're one step closer to getting out on an adventure with your motorcycle. As always, thank you all for joining me, and I hope to see you next time. Till then, all keep good, all stay blessed. Ugly man out for the hour. Later, folks.